A great electric toothbrush with a price you won't believe. Let's have a look. Dave Taylor here, and this time I'm just looking at an electric toothbrush. There is no audio jack, there are no Bluetooth interfaces, it's just an electric toothbrush. But you know, you gotta clean your teeth, and you should at least twice a day. Now, what I'm looking at specifically is this. This is the Liaboe electric rechargeable sonic toothbrush. And sonic, you're thinking, Philips Sonicare, Oral-B, they're all the same basic toothbrush. They're all in the same category, I should say. And this is very much a competitor to them. And we have those too. So this actually works really well. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And if I put it in water, I'll give you a close-up in just a minute, but if I put it in some water, you can see there's a lot going on. It just is moving really fast. Now, turns out the toothbrush has 3 different modes. It has clean mode, whiten mode, and massage mode. And where it's important to differentiate is the strokes per minute. It's vibrating super fast, like dental tool fast. And the cleaning mode is 31,000 strokes per minute. And the whitening mode is 40,000 strokes per minute. It's really polishing your teeth. And then the massage mode just alternates between the two. So you get a sort of variation there. And what's nice is that not only does it come with a recharging base and the handle and a head, it actually comes with 3 heads. So that's really nice. That's all part of the package. And they say it's IPX7 waterproof. It definitely looks waterproof. And the company says you could use it in the shower. Now seriously, who cleans their teeth in the shower? I've never heard of such a thing. But if you wanted to, you could. I'm not going to try that. Just seems so weird. Who the heck would clean their teeth while they're showering? But be that as it may, it is completely waterproof. And like many of these devices, it has a 2-minute cleaning cycle. I guess that's the recommended duration for cleaning your teeth from dentists. And it's 30-second intervals. So what that means is that when you turn it on, every 30 seconds it pauses for about a second. And then when it gets to the 4th 30-second segment, it turns off. Now, to be fair, one of the things that I don't hugely like about this is that it just turns off after 2 minutes. I would like it to maybe give me a double pause or something and then continue going till I was done. But hopefully over time you learn, 30 seconds to the upper front, 30 seconds to the upper inside, lower front, lower inside, etc. 2 minutes, you got a really nice clean, works great. Now, the other thing that's interesting is that the way that it does that timing is it starts with whatever mode. So if I start out here and I'm on just cleaning mode, we've been running this for 10 seconds or so. Now I switch to whitening mode. You can hear it's a higher pitch. Now it's going to time the 30 seconds. And so if I do one more, and now I go to the massage mode, which alternates between the two, now it's going to start the 30 seconds there. Not a big deal. Generally, you're going to have a mode that you like the best, and that'll work fine for you. But it's worth knowing that if you are experimenting with different modes, you're going to get more than a 2-minute tooth cleaning, but it's good. It's a good thing. Now, the other thing I will say is that when I've used this, the vibrations are so fast, it's so high-pitched and everything, that actually makes my lips get a little ticklish. My daughter has tried this and she does not report the same thing, so perhaps I just have sensitive lips. Take that and interpret that as you will. Now, before we go too much further, and there's really not a lot else to talk about with the toothbrush, let's do a little close-up and look at how the toothbrush works in the 3 different modes. So this first mode is clean mode, again 31,000 strokes a minute, and let's push the button and jump up to whiten mode. Now we're at 40,000 strokes a minute, and finally let's go to massage mode, which alternates between clean and whiten. So it's pulsating, and it's supposed to be for gum stimulation too. So that's it. So straightforward, and like most of these sort of toothbrushes, I will say that it's a slow charge. It takes 24 hours for a full charge from nothing. And you can see there's the little light on the front, which is nice. It shows you how far you are in the charge cycle. And once you have it fully charged, it should run you 2 or 3 weeks of cleaning your teeth. If you have multiple people and you're switching out heads, then that's not going to be quite as long. But as soon as you realize that you're down and your charge is just about out, then you just put it back on the stand, and by the time you're next cleaning your teeth, you're probably fully charged. So super easy to work with. There's a lot I like about this. It's a really nice toothbrush. I really like all of these electric toothbrushes. They've come a long way with these. They really work really well, and it's easy. It's just as easy to clean your teeth with this as it is with a traditional toothbrush. You just get a much better cleaning. And I will tell you, having used this many times now, is you clean your teeth, and then you know how you like put your tongue over your teeth to feel if your teeth feel clean? This makes them feel really, really clean and polished and everything. It's very nice. Now, the only thing left to talk about is the price, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at its budget price. But before we get there, go ahead and do me a favor and thank me for not showing you me cleaning my teeth on camera. I thought about it, but chose not to, by clicking the subscribe button. Awesome. And if this is useful and interesting, thumbs up never hurts. Now, the price. So, this Sonic electric rechargeable toothbrush with 3 toothbrush heads and 3 modes and the charge base, all of this, all is $36.99 at Amazon.com. That is such a no-brainer price that this is something you can get one for your kids, you can get one for grandma, you can have one in the guest room if you want. Really, really easy and straightforward. This is the Liaboe electric rechargeable sonic toothbrush. I'm Dave Taylor, and I will catch you in my next video.